Good morning. This is Harshit, your tech host for today, bringing you all that is new in this emerging tech world. YouTube has introduced new safety updates for teenagers, restricting video recommendations that promote unhealthy behaviors. These changes focus on enforcing community guidelines to eliminate content violating child safety, hate speech, and harassment policies. The platform will expand crisis resource panel for immediate access to mental health resources, offering support in crisis situations. Teens searching for topics related to self-harm, eating disorders, or suicide will access crisis resources directly through their platform. YouTube is rolling out restrictions on recurrent video recommendations to shield teens from potentially harmful content. The update prioritizes safety and mental well-being, ensuring a healthier environment for teenage users. Next, we have major tech companies like Amazon and Microsoft are moving enterprise communications from SMS to unregulated platforms like WhatsApp. This shift has drawn criticism from India's top telecom entities, citing violations of licensing norms and revenue losses. The COAI accused these companies of circumventing authorized telecom channels, bypassing licensed SMS pathways. WhatsApp and Telegram were labeled as improper channels for enterprise communication by the COAI, alleging violations of licensing norms. The COAI emphasized the impact on security protocols and financial losses caused by the migration from SMS to these channels. The shift from SMS to unregulated platforms is under scrutiny for violating licensing norms and affecting revenue streams. Intel has partnered with 8 Indian electronics manufacturing services (EMS) and original design manufacturers (ODMs) to bolster laptop manufacturing in India. The collaboration intends to share technological insights and operational expertise to enhance the local laptop production landscape. The partnership signifies Intel's commitment to revolutionizing India's electronics manufacturing ecosystem. The alliance includes leading Indian manufacturing entities aiming to bring a significant shift to laptop manufacturing in the country. Intel's collaboration aims to enhance India's manufacturing sector, particularly in laptop production. The partnership reflects Intel's dedication to improving India's laptop manufacturing capacity and expertise. Bolt Audio unveiled the Mirage Bluetooth calling watch, the latest addition following the Bolt Craft release. The smartwatch boasts a circular dial design with a metallic frame and metallic strap in 2 different colors. It features a 1.39-inch HD TFT display with a microphone, speaker, Bluetooth calling, and support for voice assistant. Wellness features include heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, BP tracking, sleep monitoring, and female menstrual tracking. The Mirage smartwatch presents over 120 sports modes, smart notification support, and an IP67 water-resistant rating. The Bolt Mirage smartwatch offers multiple features from health tracking to Bluetooth calling, encapsulated in a stylish design. Reports indicate that Samsung will hold the Galaxy S24 Unpacked event on 17 January in the US, aiming to boost semiconductor sales. Samsung plans to launch the Galaxy S23 FE in South Korea on 1 December, targeting a price of KRW 8 lakh. The event is expected to stimulate revenue growth following a decline in semiconductor sales for the company. Samsung is reportedly working on a custom version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC for its upcoming Galaxy S24 series. The custom chip, likely called the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC for Galaxy, is expected to feature an overclocked GPU. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC for Galaxy is rumored to showcase increased GPU and CPU clock speeds, potentially offering enhanced performance. Next up, we have the OnePlus Open Foldable Phone debuted globally, equipped with Oxygen OS 14 based on Android 14 OS and various top-notch features. One of its key features is the Open Canvas, offering an exceptional multitasking experience. OnePlus recently held an AMA session and revealed they are working on bringing the Open Canvas feature to the OnePlus Pad. The company confirmed plans to introduce the multitasking feature on the OnePlus Pad, extending the Open Canvas experience. Users inquired about the Open Canvas feature on the OnePlus Pad, and OnePlus acknowledged its development for the affordable OnePlus Pad Go. The AMA session uncovered OnePlus efforts to expand the multitasking feature from the foldable devices to their upcoming Pad series. At last, Google globally launched the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro smartphones, but in India. The Pixel 8 Pro was initially available only in a single 128GB storage option, disappointing local fans. While the standard Pixel 8 was offered in 128GB and 256GB variants, addressing the limited storage choices, Google silently introduced a 256GB storage variant for the Pixel 8 Pro in India, catering to customers seeking higher storage capacity on their smartphones. The new 256GB model is now available for purchase in India, providing an alternative option to consumers looking for expanded storage capabilities equipped with 12GB LPDDR5X RAM. The newly introduced 256GB storage variant of the Pixel 8 Pro is priced at Rs 1,13,999, offering a higher storage option for interested buyers. Customers holding an SBI card can benefit from an instant discount of up to Rs 4,000 on the purchase of the Pixel 8 Pro, along with an exchange offer on old smartphones. The Pixel 8 Pro in the 256GB configuration is exclusively offered in the Obsidian color and is available for purchase on Flipkart. For comparison, the base 128GB Pixel 8 Pro model is priced at Rs 1,06,999 in India. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।